If you're tired of spending forever chopping fruits and vegetables just to make a glass of juice, or if your current juicer is loud, messy, and barely extracts any juice, then you'll want to pay close attention to this. Today we're reviewing the Canoly C16 cold press juicer, a powerful multi-function juicer designed to make healthy drinks faster, quieter, and more convenient for everyday life. The purchase link is available in the description below. Now let's talk about the real problem most people face with juicers. First, you spend more time prepping ingredients than actually juicing. Second, many juicers are so loud they wake up the whole house. And third, they often waste perfectly good fruits and veggies because the extraction isn't efficient. The Canoly C16 cold-pressed juicer tackles all of those problems with a thoughtful design built for modern kitchens. Instead of forcing you to slice everything into tiny pieces, this machine comes with an extra-wide 6-inch feed chute, meaning you could drop in whole apples, pears, and large celery stalks without constant chopping. That alone saves tons of time during busy mornings. But convenience isn't the only benefit. This juicer uses cold press technology, which slowly squeezes ingredients instead of grinding them at high speed. That means you get higher juice yield, richer flavor, and better nutrient retention compared to traditional centrifugal juicers. Another standout feature is the 3-in-1 functionality. You're not just making juice here. You can also create creamy nut milk and even frozen fruit sorbets. Imagine turning frozen mango or berries into a naturally sweet dessert in minutes without added sugar. It's basically 3 machines in one dot, and if you've ever avoided juicing because of the noise, here's something you'll appreciate. The powerful AC brushless motor operates at around 35 decibels, which is incredibly quiet. That means you can make your morning green juice without waking up the entire household. Plus, the large 90-ounce hopper capacity is perfect for families or anyone who likes to meal prep. Instead of juicing one small serving at a time, you can prepare large batches of juice or nut milk in a single session. Now let's quickly highlight some of the key features that make this juicer stand out. Key features: 3-in-1 multi-function system. Make fresh juice, creamy nut milk, and frozen fruit sorbet with interchangeable strainers. 6-inch extra-wide feed chute. Drop in whole fruits and large vegetables to reduce prep time. Quiet 35 dB AC brushless motor. Powerful extraction with whisper. Quiet operation. 0.90 Oz large capacity hopper. Ideal for family batches and weekly meal prep. Self pre-cut system. Automatically cuts ingredients for smoother juicing. High juice yield cold press technology. Extracts more nutrients and flavor from produce. Easy cleanup design. Detachable pulp ejector prevents buildup. Dishwasher safe parts. All removable components are BPA-free and easy to clean. Another thing I really appreciate about this juicer is the effortless cleanup. Anyone who's owned a juicer knows the biggest downside is usually the mess. With the Canoly C16, the detachable pulp ejector helps prevent residue from building up inside the machine. And all removable parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. So cleanup is quick and simple. So who is this juicer really for? If you're someone who wants to add more fruits and vegetables to your diet, but doesn't have time for complicated prep work, this machine makes the process incredibly simple. It's also perfect for families, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone who enjoys homemade nut milk or healthy desserts. Instead of buying multiple appliances, juicer, nut milk maker, and dessert machine, you get everything in one sleek device. And when you factor in the long-lasting brushless motor and durable design, this is a machine built for years of use. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen routine. Enjoy fresher juice and save time every morning. The Canoly C16 cold press juicer might be exactly what you've been looking for. Check the link in the description to see the latest price and availability. And if you enjoy honest product reviews and kitchen gadgets that actually make life easier, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next review. Don't miss out, grab yours today.